Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix Netflix audio out of sync. If Netflix audio is out of sync with the video, pause the video for a few seconds. Then press play again to resync audio and video. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Netflix app, then close it completely, then reopen it. This will clear temporary system problems. After that, audio login lag often happens due to memory glitches. So make sure your software and Netflix apps are updated. To update the app, head over to your app store, search for Netflix, and then update it from there. Updates include fixes for audio and video problems, so update it. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect and reconnect them. Then test again to confirm the audio is synced or not. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.